Craft the art with water's flow, grounding of earth, wind's grace, sky's vastness, fire's passion, nature and inspiration. Hello, art lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Or if you are new here, I'm Tushar. I share my passion for abstract art every week. Today, we are going to create a beautiful abstract Ganesha painting. We'll start with a simple sketch that anyone can follow. I'm keeping the lines light and easy, just enough to guide our painting. This is so simple and beautiful. Now I'm adding soft, light colors to the background, just enough so that our sketch line shows through. I'm blending multiple colors here using plenty of water to keep the layers transparent and delicate. Now I'm outlining the form with a striking red color. And you will see how the painting starts to come to life as I gently build depth through using soft shadows. A little tip: if you feel there is too much color in some areas, you can dab it off with cloth while the paint is still wet. This is just our first layer. Painting is all about building layers patiently. This process is so satisfying. Once we are done with this, we are going to add some texture. Now, with the help of sponge, we are going to add some texture, giving the background a dynamic and interesting feel. Orange, I'm adding orange and on the top of that yellow color with the sponge. Yeah, we are getting some interesting texture here. Keep on doing it until you feel satisfied. Now I'm adding richer, darker tones to bring more depth and make the figure stand out. It is looking amazing, isn't it? As I said, painting is all about building layers patiently. It's giving 3D look. If you want more depth, you can add multiple layers of darker color. At this stage, I work on the background until it feels just right. I love this part. It's so satisfying to watch the painting evolve. Removing the unnecessary colors using the piece of cloth. Again, I'm working on those layers, that shadows, depth, to make it look clean and clear. I'm going to work on this background until it feels just right. Time to highlight foreground elements to make them pop. I'm using yellow here to add that beautiful contrast. You can use different tools to create interesting patterns in your abstract painting. Now comes a sacred moment. I'm painting the tilak on Ganesha's forehead. Carefully, I paint the eye, bringing emotion and life to the artwork. Wow, it's amazing. Finally, I'm adding last touches and fine details. And here it is. Our painting is complete. Jai Shri Ganesh. If this video helps spark ideas or give you clarity, hit that like button so that other artists can find this too. And if you love abstract art as much as I do, make sure to subscribe for more weekly videos. Let's grow and paint together. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep painting from the soul.